Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today I'm going to do some live trading session, but of course today I'm going to be strictful to this 20 pips a day strategy. However, I just wanted to answer a question here which was very interesting from Mr. Bilawal. He said, why do you sometimes look for the patterns on the 5-minute time frame and 30-minute time frame while the strategy was supposed to be for 15 minutes? This thing makes me confused. Alright, let me just answer this question because I'm sure it might be confused for so many other traders here. So the whole concept of my strategy is simply like that. We are looking for the bigger time frame to identify the direction of the market, to identify if it's going to the rise or going down. And we are relying actually on the resistance. So if we see on the bigger time frame, if we see the market is actually on a resistance level, we will just confirm that the market now is gonna fall and we have to look for sell orders. And if we see the market on a support zone, we will say that the market right now is going to be good to be bought. Now that is of course all being decided on the bigger time frame. Now on the smaller time frame, we will identify where exactly we can place our buy or sell, depending of course on support and resistance. So we will just be looking for the best and the strongest support and resistance levels, and based on that we will decide our entry. So on the smaller time frame, we can't really be sure if we should be placing the buy or sell unless we look at the bigger time frame to identify the bigger picture of the market. Now, does it have to be 4 hours compared to the 15-minute time frame? No, it could be actually 1 week or the weekly chart. You can actually identify the direction on the weekly chart and then place your trade based on the daily chart. It works. You can actually use the bigger time frame as 30-minute time frame to identify the direction, then switch to the 1-minute time frame to identify the support and resistance. You can look at the 1-hour time frame and then switch to the 5-minute time frame to identify your support and resistance levels. So the whole concept here is to identify the direction on the bigger time frame and then switch back to the smaller time frame to identify where exactly we can place our buy and sell order. So don't restrict yourself to the 15 and 4-hour time frame. That's really not important. The whole point, as I said before, is just to compare the two time zones or the two time frames to identify the direction of the market. All right, so let's now begin with the live trading session. And of course, right now I'm on the pound NZD. Now, for example, on the pound NZD, we can see clearly that we are right now on a support zone. Most likely the market is going to be respecting that level. As you can see right now, this is a very strong support level, and therefore we now need to confirm that the market is going to be continue the rise. So we need to look for buy orders. Now where exactly can I place my buy order? That's the question. The answer lies in these smaller time frames. Let me now move to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so now on the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we had right here a support level. We can see here, my friends, that this was a very strong key support level, and these two attempts were actually a false breakout, because the real level of the support is right here, exactly what I have drawn the line here. That can be told by seeing the resistance level right here and the support right here as well. Meaning, actually right now might be the best time to place the buy order. Let me reduce the lot size to make it 1.1. Okay. And I'm just thinking, yes, fantastic. Yes, that is what I really wanted. And of course, let me just first of all set my stop loss, the first thing at all. Then now for the take profit level, it has to be of course placed at the nearest resistance to my entry, which is of course this one right here. Now, after opening the trade, I have time to explain for the new joiners and subscribers to my channel which video they have to watch first in order to understand the strategy that I'm using in this live trading session. Let me show you the videos. So here is my channel on YouTube, and all you need to do, my friends, is click on playlists and then click on Forex scalping strategies. Once you open this section, you will find here all the videos that you need to watch in order to understand my strategy. Make sure to watch here this video, the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details, and follow it later please with the Forex price action video. These two videos are very important and gonna be very helpful for you to understand which strategy I'm using in this live trading session. So again, I have explained to you also the reason behind this entry. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Another thing I need to explain to you. On the 4-hour time frame, since we are actually talking about price action, let me just tell you something. Do you see this candle right here, the blue one? That's a reverse hammer. That's actually my favorite price action of all time to confirm the reversal on the market. Once you see the candle like that on a support level, make sure that, I would say 95% of the time, the market is indeed gonna make the bullish reversal after its appearance. And we can see the same candle has appeared again right here. Of course, vice versa. When you are on a resistance level and you see this candle upside down, just like this one, like that, with a smaller tail at a small wick at the top and a longer tail at the bottom, be sure that 95% of the time the market is gonna make actually a bearish reversal. We can see that right here. This is the candle. Check this out. After its appearance, the market has indeed continued the fall, and we can see it actually. Let me just zoom out and let me just show you. I want to confirm to you that this strategy really worked. This price action is very trustworthy. I just want to find the perfect one. We can find it here, as you can see, my friends, the same candle. Here's the appearance of it. And of course, make sure that, as we can see, the market has made a bullish reversal after its appearance. Then again on, where is it? Here it is. This is the candle again at the top of the resistance. After its appearance, the market has indeed started the reversal. So as we can see, almost all of the time, even here as well, and here as well. So you can see that most of the time, this candle really confirms the reversal on the market. And that is the reason I decided that I should open the trade and also to open this video and started recording the session. Anyway, after moving to the 15-minute time frame, we can tell clearly that we had right here the support zone, and seems to me like the market is going to be able to respect that level of a support. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will going to happen with this trade. All right, my friends, check this out. 103, 110, 106, $106 of profit. Finally, I have made the profit that I'm aiming from this trade. Let me just tell you something. We were supposed actually to make 20 pips from this trade. And as we can see, the candle is rising and it's still rising. But however, I'm a person who look actually at the profit that I have made. I don't really restrict myself to the pips. I mean, I don't really have to make, 20 pips, it has to be 20 pips, it has to be 20 pips. No, I don't say it like that. I look at the profit that I have made. $106 was really fine, and I really don't want to risk losing this money because of my greediness. So I'm very happy about that. But again, I want to tell you guys, this is a strategy called the 20 pips a day strategy, meaning you just aim 20 pips a day and you just get off the market, regardless if you have won or lost this trade. The whole philosophy of in Forex, in my opinion, is about keeping your money safe and as much as possible. So when I say 20 pips a day, it means that you should aim 20 pips a day, regardless if it was a profit or if it was a loss. Just make sure that you are controlling your emotions and aiming only that one trade that you really trust, and make sure that you can make at least 20 pips out of it. Once you make the 20 pips, just shut down MT4 and get out of the computer and just stay away from it and just go and live your life. Just make 20 pips only and accept it. And let's say, for example, if you have lost a trade, just accept it that today I have made a loss. Let me mark it that today, Wednesday, for example, I have marked as loss. Then tomorrow, Thursday, I'm gonna recover it with a profit. Then Friday, I'm gonna hopefully make another profit. I know it's a very slow and long journey, but trust me, my friends, once you do that, you will find yourself making hell of profits in Forex. Anyway, let me now increase the lot size again, and let me now try to find something else. I need to find now another setup. Now, you might tell me, Salah, you just told us to restrict ourselves to just one trade per day. Why you are looking for another? I tell you, guys, with all respect, sorry, but I'm the one who made the strategy here. I'm the one who did it. I'm the one who created it. So I think I know what I'm doing. If I'm looking for another strategy, I know I have experience in this market and I know what I can do. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open the next trade. And another setup has been found, and here on the Euro and ZD, and I'm going to place the buy order right away. Fantastic, fantastic. Set first of all my take profit level and my stop loss, so just to be sure we are safe. So anyway, I have to explain to you the reason behind this entry. First of all, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly that the market has made here a strong bullish breakout candle from that resistance level right here. And right now, the market is indeed retesting that broken support, the broken resistance level. Meaning, the market right now is creating support number 1 on the 4-hour time frame. Fantastic. That has been confirmed. Let's now move to the smaller time frame to identify our entries. Now, pay attention. On the 15-minute time frame, I have seen this pin bar right here. Pin bars usually have very trusted price actions, and after seeing this pin bar right here on the same level of a previous resistance and the creation of a new support number 1, I had to instantly place the buy order without thinking twice. Again, pin bar is the reason here why I have opened my trade, and I really have what I wanted to say. Nothing. That's it. I just really trust this price action. I believe it's a good price action, and therefore I believe the market right now is gonna start the bullish movement. So let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And check this out, my friends. The market have moved indeed up as I have expected. $132 of profit. 127. Fantastic. I'm very happy for the profits that we have made. As I told you, I trusted the pin bar on the 15-minute time frame, and indeed the pin bar has paid back, and really I am very happy for the profits that we have made. I really want to continue this live trading session, but sadly right now it's 6:19 p.m. Dubai time, and everyone knows that iftar time is gonna be after about 30 or 25 minutes, I think. Those who live in Dubai and UAE, they know this very well. So again, I really wanted to make this live trading session go longer than that, but I think I'm gonna stop trading for today. Actually, I don't have any time to continue trading for today. I'm done for today. That's everything for today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be opening some trades, hopefully on the gold, and I will make sure to record the session if I opened any trades on the gold. But until then, I hope you guys have learned something about comparing the price actions between 4 hours and 15-minute time frame, and you can see how it's very helpful to find the best and most trusted setups to enter. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.